If you could build your own robot, what would it be? If you had all the robotics tools you needed, what would you create? This is MindKit. It's the first all-in-one robotics developer kit with the software and hardware to get started with robotics. MindKit has 3 core modules. The Cerebrum is a single-board computer where you control the robot's sensing and decision-making. The servo controller helps create and control movement. You can easily connect up to 20 servo motors simultaneously. MindKit's high-capacity battery is built specifically for robot functionality. Our operating system, MindOS, is purpose-built for coding robots. What can you create? MindKit features advanced capabilities like LiDAR SLAM, so it can map indoor space in real time. So if you want a robot that recognizes people and gives them a hug,
Okay, robot. Pass the salt.
one that responds to commands,
Pass the hot sauce.
or whatever kind of robot, you can make it happen. And those are just the basics. With our open source Mind SDK, you can develop your own skills. There's no ceiling on what you can create. MindKit. Can you robot?
Introducing O6, a whole new way to control all of life's daily devices. With O6, your sense of touch allows you to keep your eyes free. All you need to do is listen.
Email. One email from David Wilson. It says, "Hi, I attached the design sketches. This is short notice, but the meeting location has changed to 990 DeHaro Street. Can you make it?" Action 1. Reply. Yes. No. 15 minutes late. Message sent. Action 1. Reply. Action 2. Navigate to 990 DeHaro Street.
Use O6 to browse and listen to apps while on the go.
Tweet from San Francisco Giants. It says, "Fun fact, every starter has homered this week." Tweet from Headline News. It says, "Scientists to launch microspacecraft at 20% speed."
O6 can be used at home or the office, with gestures to control any mobile application. And with an open API available to developers, you'll soon discover entirely new ways to use O6.
Play podcast.
Get O6 and free your eyes.
The single-use plastic straws? Yeah, just right there.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Don't you know that plastic straws are bad for the environment? What is this? Ugh. If you're gonna suck, suck on this. This is Final Straw, the world's first collapsible, reusable, totally badass straw. Straws are supposed to be convenient, right? So we decided to do something about it. This is Final Straw. Final Straw folds up to the size of a car key and fits in this sexy case. Final Straw is small enough to fit in your purse or pocket. But if you don't have pockets, you can just... Uh-oh, where'd it go? If you can remember your keys when you leave the house, you'll remember your straw. It fits on your keychain, so there's no way you're gonna leave it in your car. And there's no need to worry about keeping it clean. Included in each straw is a specially designed squeegee. Simply pull it through the straw to make sure it's squeaky clean. Final Straw is BPA-free, dishwasher safe, and with our patented design, the ends are soft, so it's safe for human children and their adults. There you go, little buddy. This straw may seem small, but because of its size, it's actually very harmful to the environment. Straws can't be recycled, so they're often left here in the ocean where they hurt and kill my friends in the sea. There you go. Go be free. Since you've hit play on this video, we've discarded this many straws in the US alone. Pretty bad, right? Included in each straw are some of these little cards. Next time you're at a restaurant, leave one with the bill and let them know to only serve straws upon request. There's a movement happening and you can be at the front of it. Together we can make a really big impact and save our oceans one straw at a time.
Introducing the Zanko S Pen, the must-have product of 2019. Best accessory ever made for a smartphone. Amazing and incredible product. So easy to use. Compact and light. Totally new innovation. Forget about paper notes and scribbles which do not align themselves. Pull your document on an iPad or tablet and customize your highlights with the stylus pen function on Zanko S Pen. Organizing your thoughts has never been easier before. The Zanko S Pen is also your smartphone de facto. Insert a SIM card and start making and receiving calls from your S Pen. Or simply pair it via Bluetooth with your smartphone. You can then use it as a phone even without a SIM. Next up, present your big ideas in class or at your board meeting with a laser pen in hand. Use the remote capture function to take pictures with the S Pen via your smartphone. Record any important feedback and revisit them for evaluation. On the weekend, break a sweat at the gym with your Zanko S Pen connected to your Bluetooth enabling devices, or attach it to your bike and go for a ride in the wild. Put the S Pen on video mode to do the scenery justice. Adjust its angle to capture a panorama view of the beautiful places, people, and gifts of nature. Enjoy your favorite tunes along the way. Take snapshots of the places you have explored and share them with your loved ones on your big computer screen back home. Want the best surprise for your birthday and April Fools? Zanko S Pen's got you covered with this voice changer with 13 voice options on the list. Put on a rapper or robotic voice to give your best friends a call. The Zanko S Pen redefines compactness. It is your one-stop personal assistant. Equipped with a microphone, a voice recorder, a speaker, a 3.5 headset, a laser and stylus pen, a micro 5-pin USB, a nano SIM and micro SD, Bluetooth 3.0 connection. It is your one-stop pocket-sized office assistant. Your must-have product for 2019. Back this campaign now and be the first to own the intelligent and compact device.